what about foam rolling before exercise? All right, so let's just put this out there. I think it used to be, and even being guilty of it as PTs, if we foam rolled prior to exercise, we're like, let's break up some of that fascia and those adhesions and all that stuff. Yeah, research has not supported that at all. This thing is not strong enough to give the kind of forces to actually deform this tissue. In fact, they say, like for the IT band, for example, it's like 2,000 pounds per square inch. Trust me, none of you guys want that kind of pressure on your body, and that would do massive damage. So we're not breaking things up like we think we are. What we are doing is we're giving some pressure to the fascia, to those muscles, to those tendons, to the skin, and we are putting some tension and some pressure to all those mechanoreceptors. So that deep, slow, even like light, moderate pressure is all about like downregulating the system, which can help us feel less tight, which can help kind of get things moving. You're also going to have a little bit of a fluid exchange of all that fluid that's in there and move that back and forth when you are foam rolling. So that's a tremendous value before you start exercising in areas that feel stiff or other areas that you might want to move around, and before you even activate those muscles and you can go through like your warm-up routine. So that's why we do it. We're not breaking stuff up. We are trying to get things moving, encourage those tight things to become a little bit more pliable, and just wake the body up, tell it what it's about to do.